Hi everyone! Today you're going to be watching part 2 of the 3-look series for Valentine's Day, and we did a bold lip with minimal eyeshadow. The great thing about this look is you can interchange anything here. So the eyeshadow is very minimal, so you can put any lip on. The bold lip you can put with pretty much any eye, and I like the red. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how to get this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so we're going to start with the face today because I'm not doing a crazy eye look. It's going to be very minimal eyeshadows. So I'm going to start by priming my face with MAC Fix Plus. I'm also going to add a little bit of the e.l.f. primer. It's the Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to rub it between my fingers and then apply it to the skin. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Fit and Poreless. I love this foundation. I used to use it all the time. And I'm just going to put it on one of these brushes to apply to the skin. If you're looking for full coverage foundation, this definitely isn't the one for you because it's a foundation that you can really see your skin through, but if you do want a little bit of extra coverage, it is buildable. So I like to add a little bit more on top. And then go ahead and blend that in. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape. This is my go-to. I use it pretty much almost every day. Then I'm also going to apply it to my eyelids and use that as an eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender and blend it all in. And then to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. And I'm actually going to use this on a beauty blender today. So I'm going to put a lot of product on it and then bake underneath the eyes. You want to do this fast so that none of your concealer sets, especially on your eyelids. And then you're going to pack this on anywhere else that you concealed. Next, I'm going to bronze using my Park Ave Princess Bronzer from Tarte and this BH Cosmetics brush number 1. And then to contour my cheeks, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild angled brush, and I'm just going to use the same bronzer. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender with some translucent powder and carve out under the contour, just to clean it up. Blush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. I actually don't know what color it is because I removed the label. And I did know at one point, but now I completely forget. But I'm going to use the Real Techniques blush brush to pack this on. This is a great color because it's going to blend really well into the bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. And I'm going to do something a little different than I normally do, and I'm going to use it with this Eco Tool sponge. So I'm going to press this in the bottom. Make sure your sponge is damp first. And then I'll just pounce it on the skin. And then on top of that, to add just a little bit more glow, I'm going to use the Champagne Pop from Vector Cosmetics with this BH Cosmetics brush number 5. For the eye stay, I'm going to use mostly this Morphe palette. It's the 350M palette. So they made the 350 palette, and then they made this one, which is all mattes, and I absolutely love this palette. It is great if you love warm tones. I'm going to use very simple eyeshadows today, so I'm just going to use a few light browns just to kind of give my eyes a little bit of that contoured look, because we don't want to do too much because we're doing a very bold lip. I'm going to start with this bone shade right here and put that all over the lid. For that shade, I use the Real Techniques brush, and this is number 200. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. I'm going to use it on this brush, and it came with the Goal Getter set from Tarte. And I'm basically going to really sloppily put that all over my lid. This is a big fluffy brush, so the powder is going to get kind of everywhere, but that's the look that I'm going for. I don't want to be too precise. I'm going to use this shade next on a Morphe M433 brush. And just keep this more in the crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade just to deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm not going to use a lot of it, but I do want to add a little bit more dimension. For this, I'm just using a Wet n Wild brush. And I'm keeping the color more towards the outer V. I'm not really V'ing it out, but I want to keep it towards the outer edge as much as possible. But it will add just a little bit of dimension. And by the way, don't mind my little nub. I'm getting them fixed in the next couple of days. I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here and pack it on my lid just to brighten it up a little bit more. I'm going to go with a pencil brush and put this on my lower lash line. The brush I'm going to be using is the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. So this you're going to use and smoke out the entire lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone with Moody from the Dream Street palette. And for this, I'm using brush number 9. Then I'm going to use the Real Technique 201 brush and pack some of that same shade on my inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes off camera, and then I'll be back to add some finishing touches. Alright, I went ahead and zoomed you out, and then I ended up dusting off my excess powder, and then I added a wing and some mascara to my eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the lip. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the color Berry Red. And then for the lip today, I'm going to end up using this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and it's in the shade Missy and Fierce. So this is going to be our bold lip for Valentine's Day. I normally don't go in with the pencil lip liner because I like the retractable ones better, but I bought this when I ended up buying the lip. So I'm going to go ahead and trace the outside of my lip and then make sure to do like an X by your Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lipstick. lipstick is perfect because it's very affordable and it's very comfortable. A lot of matte lipsticks, like the liquid lipsticks, I can't stand because they dry out my lips like instantly. But this one, for the price, you can't beat it. And it's a very pretty color. Thank you so much for watching part 2. Make sure that you go ahead and watch part 1 and then stay tuned for part 3 because it's on its way soon. If you haven't already, subscribe down below and then make sure to leave comments and tell me what you like and give me any suggestions for the future. If you want to follow me on my other social media platforms, those are all listed as well. So make sure to do that and don't leave without subscribing. Thank you. Our Icon Lip Liner in Ruby Red. I'm gonna go ahead and I just can't now. All right, shut up, Ashley.